How to set up Gumroad profile. So we're over here with a new account to basically just start from scratch. So if you want to go ahead and set up your profile, go ahead down here to this thing and then press on profile. So we have a blank space. What we're gonna do now is to edit our profile. It's actually in the settings, but whatever. What you're gonna do now is to just add your name first, of course, your username. You have your name, you have your bio, and a logo. Your logo will be visible next to your name and your Gumroad profile, so make sure it's a very cool logo. We're gonna upload mine right now. So make sure your profile is something that brings in customers. For example, this thing, a feline that I own. And then your design. So you have fonts. You can take a look at the options if you'd like. You have the background color. You can change it to whatever you like. I'm gonna make it similar to this bell over here, because why not? Can we do this anywhere? Oh, we can. All right, let's do this one. We can do the eye drop, and now it's similar to the bell. And then the highlight color will be my cat's tongue or mouth or whatever that red part is. There we go. So now we can view our profile. So we're gonna go ahead and add here. We have products, we have posts, featured products, rich text, subscribe, wish list, and then the same thing for everywhere else. We're gonna be adding pages to our profile. Sorry about that. And then let's say products first. Sadly, this account doesn't really have products, but it's basically the page for products. You can arrange the pages to however you please, but you can choose over here from the options. You have featured products, so of course that's probably going to be on the highest part of your profile, but the point is it depends on you on what you want to be on your profile page, what's going to be in the pages like posts, products, subscriptions like this one, which of course they will input their data, not really their data, but for them to know that you've done something with your profile. But explore, take a look at everything else. It should be pretty simple since it's very user friendly. And once you just exit, it will save as so. But that's pretty much it. We forgot to update our settings. We're gonna do it all over again actually, just to really ensure it's this simple. Our fonts and everything, our background color, we're gonna take this again, and then this thing, its tongue, perfect. Not really the tongue, the mouth, like so, and then go back up, update settings. So that's pretty much it. You make sure you update your settings in the top right. Hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.